Hello everyone and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell icon so that you never miss on any updates. I am your teacher Charu and today we are going to talk about 6 morning habits of successful people. Right? So over here there are 2 proverbs on the screen to which early birds are definitely going to agree to. So my early birds, let's read. Early bird gets the worm. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Right? So, my early birds, do you agree to these 2 proverbs? Yes, because early birds always get the best opportunities. Right? So, if you're early bird already, then yay, kudos to you. But if you're not, if you are the night owls, then please do watch the videos and see how we can become early birds and grab the best opportunities. Okay, so if you're a night owl and late riser, then you must be able to relate to Kanishka, who is also a late riser. Let's meet her. This is Kanishka. She gets up, she gets up half an hour before her school time and then rushes to catch her bus. Day in and day out, she misses her bus, her breakfast, and reaches school gasping for air. Hence, she feels lethargic throughout the day. Simple. Now let us meet another person, Amisha. This is Amisha. She wakes up 2 hours before her school time. She gets ample time for exercising, revising, and having breakfast. So this routine invigorates her the entire day. She's up and about the entire day, right? She gets enough time to be with her friends in the evening. So what kind of routine do you want? Do you want a routine like Kanishka or do you want a routine like Amisha? I think that all of you are saying that you want a routine like Amisha. So what do you have to do in order to have that routine? Is it so difficult? No, not at all. Let nobody tell you that waking up in the morning is difficult. Waking up early in the morning is difficult. It's not. Okay? Because I am going to tell you some easy peasy ways in which how you can do that and how you can win your morning in order to win your day. Right? So ask yourself this question. How do you plan to live your life every day? See, during this pandemic, we are only confined to our homes, right? We are not going to offices, we are not going to schools, and we just start our day in a very lazy fashion because we don't have any set routine these days, right? So, just ask yourself, how do you start your day? Do you just get up in the morning, wear your school shirt, look a little bit together and sit for your class, or you go exercise, meditate, and do all of those things before you actually start your day? You don't, right? And if you do, then yay, congratulations. You're doing great, I must say. Okay, now over here, let me give you some 6 easy peasy ways to win your morning in order to win your day. So let's get started. First is don't hit the snooze button. I understand that snooze button is really tempting and we always keep snoozing it for 2 minutes more and 2 minutes more. Those 5 extra minutes of sleep are not going to help us in any way, right? So stop hitting the snooze button. Now, do you remember how you jump out of your bed whenever you have to take a vacation or meet your friends? Yeah, right? Nothing can stop you at that time. So why does that happen? Because something excited is supposed to take place. Then why don't you plan something excited before you go to bed? Plan something exciting for yourself so that the next day you never have to hit the snooze button. Okay, next is never start your day by scrolling social media feeds. Trust me, it's very toxic. Okay, because what you're doing is you're just watching other people's posts and reacting to them, right? So you don't have to start your day by looking at what others are doing in their lives. You have to start your day by deciding what you have to do in your life. Okay, so because life is what happens when you are in a no network zone, right? So whenever you start your day by scrolling social media feeds, it affects your brain, it interferes with your ability to prioritize tasks, and it hijacks your time and attention. So don't do it. Okay, now over here let us go through this fun fact. Okay, do you know all the successful people like Jack Dorsey, Dalai Lama, and Akshay Kumar, they're all early risers. They're not late owls, right? They're early risers because they know the importance of morning, of getting up early in the morning and having a morning routine. Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO of Twitter, in an interview, he mentioned that he's up before the sun rises, then he meditates for 30 minutes, and then he works out for exact 21 minutes, because this prepares him for the hectic day ahead, right? So he's one of the very successful people, and he has a hectic day ahead. So what does he do? He takes out some time for himself. He spares some time for himself, that too in the most productive hour of the day, that is morning. Okay, so if you want to reach heights like Jack Dorsey and Akshay Kumar, or maybe the Dalai Lama or Bill Gates or any other person, then you should also start setting up a routine for yourself that you should follow every day without any fail. Okay, so what you should do next is you should jumpstart your day with exercise and water. Okay, kickstart your day with plenty of lukewarm water to feel fresh and hydrated, right? Then meditate for 10 minutes, followed by 10 minutes of workout or simple breathing exercises. Okay, so meditation can be very productive for you. Okay, it can calm you down, it can helps build your concentration, and exercise keeps you very healthy and active, right? And then afterwards you should definitely have your cup of joy. It can be tea, coffee, anything, but never forget to have water before you have your cup of joy. Next is, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. My elders used to always tell me, my grandfather used to tell me, that you should not only be studying the entire time, you should get up and play as well, right? Because playing is a social activity. You get to bond with your friends, you get to meet people, right? Which is very important, because we human beings are social creatures, right? And we are wired for social connections. So what you should do, you should get up early in the morning, revise your lessons in the morning, so that you have enough time to play in the evening with your friends. Why? Because in morning you're very energized, your creativity is at highest, you have better focus, right? And then you have better ability to tackle difficult lessons. You are able to retain information better if you have read something in the morning. And cherry on the cake is, you get to play with your friends in the evening if you complete your studies in the morning, right? So why don't you do that? Next is play Sudoku. Yes, Sudoku is a very interesting game, yeah, and it can definitely help you to improve your memory. It can help you to boost your concentration. It can enhance your problem solving skills. It can elevate your thinking skills, right? So we should definitely play some Sudoku when we get up in the morning. So set time aside for everything that you will do. Create a to-do list before you go to bed during the night, right? So that you know your day is well planned ahead, right? This will give you to something to get up in the morning. Okay, then next is maintain a gratitude journal. Yes, every person should be grateful to all that he has. Okay, so because maintaining a gratitude journal is definitely going to help you improve your positivity, and it is also going to help you to reduce stress to some extent, right? Because you are counting your blessings whenever you're expressing gratitude, right? You're always counting your blessings, and whenever you count your blessings, you will always have blessings in abundance. And if you count your negatives, you will have them in abundance, right? So the world is like, yes, master. So whatever you want, the world will give to you. So the choice is yours, whether you want negatives or you want positivity. Okay, then please follow this routine. I know it will take some time, but then you will get used to it. Learn to train your subconscious brain, and you will definitely have it. Okay, then what's stopping you? Seize the day and make it count. I will definitely meet you for another video where we will discuss something very interesting again. Stay tuned until then. Bye bye. Take care.